case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1956 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, Walton v. Arabian American Oil Company, an American citizen and resident was injured in Saudi Arabia after colliding with a truck owned by a Delaware corporation licensed in New York. Despite evidence of negligence, the trial judge ruled in favor of the defendant, as the plaintiff failed to prove Saudi Arabian tort principles. The plaintiff argued that New York law should apply, recognizing negligence, while the defendant maintained that Saudi Arabian law should apply, but did not provide evidence. The court held that the plaintiff had not proved that Saudi Arabian law recognized tort principles, and thus, the lower court's decision favoring the defendant was correct. However, the opinion's writer believed that the case should have been remanded to let the parties present material that could help the trial judge ascertain Saudi Arabia's applicable law, as neither the judge nor the parties were aware of New York's Civil Practice Act Section 344A. The case focused on the conflict of laws rules, where the law of the place where the tort occurred should be applied. In this case, the court applied New York law instead. The substantive law applicable to this tort was where the alleged tort occurred, which is often based on the authority of the foreign sovereign.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.